Today we come to a mountain, a natural farm with families. The road is a little hard to drive because of mountain. Climbing. But you know what? I invite Jesus sitting in with me, so I drive very good. Drive slow.
How about it smoke?
Yes. And look at the sky. Oh, amazing! So beautiful blue.
Look when it goes.
Look at Sammy.
I can ride.
She's so cute. She's so adorable. I'm so glad today I take her to travel here a little bit. Nobody here, so it's safe.
Where shall we go?
Safe. Let's go
Oh,
inside. Yeah. Say hello. Yeah. Can you go down? Let's take a look.
someone's house is over there.
There's a flower. Can you go down?
Oh, you hear one over there.
Cafe place. It's locked. Look like low service. Yeah?
Oh, but there's no one here.
Yeah. But it's okay. We can go up.
Can we order
Go up
some
more?
food? I think they're open, but can we order some food?
Yeah.
I
We-
feel we're lost.
It's okay.
But
Just
we
feel
can
this
follow
beautiful natural place. Just light on the stairs. Let's keep going. It's beautiful, Sammy.
Over there, open.
Yes, there's some organic vegetable.
Look at it run over there.
Yeah, look at me, say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Just get some very fresh, clean air from here, not downtown Chimai. Okay, see you.
Easy to run.
Yes. You gotta have fun. So cute, baby. She's so cute. Gorgeous, my angel baby. Ah.
It's not easy to run.
You don't need the mask now. Are you tired? Take off your mask, breathe.
My liver can give me more energy.
Yeah, can you take away your mask? Get some fresh air. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful tiny flowers. Here. Here. Remember this flower, Sammy? This flower matches the rose.
Oh yeah. It's all from this way.
Wow. Wow, you know the way to go.